Hi people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Please don't forget to like this video. Okay, I have to start by encouraging you to like the video because this one is another explosive revelation from Biafrans that are keeping record of the activities of some of these people that are claiming they are giving you Biafra with Nkere and their group. Remember, we are not here to cause problem or to fight anybody, but to bring it the way it is, to let you know what is going on, for you not to fall a victim again. People have fallen victim of these people before, and you don't need to become another victim. Just watch your way and follow the truth, and make sure you do what you are asked to do. So this video is not gonna be long. I just want to bring it to you the way it is, because yesterday when PM and deputy PM rather, chief of staff Ngozora Beze, in a program she had, question and answer session, Biafran trooped in and came up with a very, very, very deep exposition. In fact, we may not even touch all of them, but I'm here to bring it to you because not everything, but this particular one, we get a long way to help you to understand who those women that are Vam, Sona Parawe, and Nkere are harboring in the name of men, helping men on ground and all that. All of them have fought out before with PM, and more revelation are going to come, of course, because today we also had another video which we have discussed about it on our sisters platform. If you have not followed us on that second platform, Kai Report News, please go there and subscribe, because there we often stream live there. And without wasting much of your time, I don't want to waste much of your time, I just want to share it to you so that you will hear that, because it is very, very important. Subscribe to the channels and please like the video. Okay, let's go there. Just hear this.
Good evening, dear friends. Good evening. Yeah, I want to thank our DPM. I want to thank every one of you. Please, I don't have any question for you, but I want to let the Biafrans know one thing today about Chioma. Chioma was part of the Umadas that ate 21 million that was given to Umada. We, the Umada of then, we wrote a letter to the Binta Nyako to release our Oyendu. The letter we wrote, they went and put their individual phone numbers and put their individual emails, which they send it to the governors of the 5 states in East, and they send them 21 million naira. When we ask them questions, we that is part of the executive of them, this trauma in question asked me, is it because of this 21 million naira that you people are going gaga? Now, she find her way to mingle with Chinwe. They fought Ndidi Amaga and Rosemary, their friends. And this, my sister called herself Nena, was in the part of Ndidi Amaga, Nena in Canada. When they fought, they see this trauma saw that she cannot have any place there. She mingled herself, ran away from that group, went to Obatobie. I and one of my sister that is living in Spain, we reached out to Vam. Your people should send this information to Obatobie that Chama is nothing but a spy, somebody that have come to scatter, somebody that have come to eat, somebody that have come to look for position, somebody she's planning to be who she doesn't. So I don't know how to put it. She's planned herself to be who she wants to be when Biafran comes. Biafrans, listen. When I saw her in Finland, then someone standing there talking, I called my my friend in space, can you see this woman? I wish God will do what he knows how to do. To fish her out. He says, Choma, anywhere you see Choma, run for your dear life. They went ahead and got another secret group from Umada, which she added some people that when we asked her series of questions and questions and questions, they find a way to take us off. Dear friends, all I want to tell you guys today is God in his infinite mercy, God in his infinite majesty and power, he knows how to do what he knows how to do. He said all of us should circle to our COS and do what we need to do. Support her. And say the power of God in her. Fear not, God is with you. No matter how they gang up, God has fished them out. Keep doing what they are doing. I have no question for you. I just want to release this. To know it for the first time.
Someone should record that part. Cut that very part. Very important. Somebody should copy this very part. It's very important.
Thank you so very much. Thank you. Thank you so much. And again, only the truth will stand the test of time. When I told Biafran that this Professor Choma Okoma hijacked the referendum presentation that she presented in Finland, I reached out to her. I sent her a mail. Please, can you send me the referendum document you presented in Finland, because our attorneys need it to fight for the Biafra recognition in the world. This same Chioma, she refused to send that document to me till today. But thank God, our secure Biafrans that have been monitoring them, Dr. Dorothy here was able to retrieve that presentation this Chioma Okoma did in Finland, which she refused to turn over to the Biafra government. She is the one now. So when you look at their ring, this Chioma Okoma, the one in Canada, when you look at that diagram, where they have been, how they penetrated over to and entered the Biafra government in exile, and what they are doing now, Biafrans, our God is good. Our God is good. Who never agreed, never let the Biafra know she was part of the people that were communicating with the Southeast governors to the extent of receiving 21 million. But these are the individuals that are going with Sonia Barawa. Van saying COS was working for Nigerian government. So what they do is what they project on other people. But we ask, get them out by today. Dear friends, I want you to know that these people, they cut deep. They cut in. They cut real deep. And we must stop them anywhere we see them. No matter how they pretend. Yes. We already changed the leadership in Canada. That crazy shot engine in Canada, Nenda, is no longer, and nobody should ever communicate with her on anything Biafra in Canada. These are the criminal cabals planted inside the Biafra government by the Nigerian government. Chioma Okoma, Joy Irobi, that they are cabals. I know that there are calls them the Fulani Amajiri agitators inside the Biafra government. They are all gone. We've swept all of them away. Let them continue. Biafrans, we destroy them, not me. It is not our battle. The Biafrans that are genuine, following our battle, we destroy them one after the other. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And one day from
There's so many things we spoke last year. We should not be repeating them again. We should move forward. Remember, time to cry. Time to be happy. Tell them that this is in our mind. And I want to tell you people that Umada have already given us. Because if we don't move everybody along, then that's not a good thing. Because
So this is their gathering in their fundraising, because what you just heard before is from Biafran government in exile, and this is in Kere group trying to, because they are gathered all this somewhere is a why. Anyway, this program is not for is a why or anything as such. But one thing you need to understand, that those people, they have all fought PM and have committed themselves to government in the past. That's why they're always quick to call you Sabo, you are this, you are that. Because just like what CS said, she actually hid the hammer on the nail. Because everything, who would have known that these people have swallowed 20-something million from Southeast governors? This is the reason why governors and all the DOS, they don't bother whatsoever anymore. And akpoli ego ndị na-eso ha and the men on ground that are siding them, when you talk, they tell you that you are talking, you are insulting many people, but you are the one bringing yourself out for insult. Anyway, tell me what you think about this, and open your eyes. More revelation are yet to come. These people have committed a lot, and they don't care. They don't care about anything. They know what they're doing, but what is happening to them, they know what they're doing, but they don't. But what is happening to them, that is what they don't know. Let me take it again. They know what they're doing, but what is doing them is what they don't know. A lot is going on, and it's a matter of time. These women, when you hear Mwai Highway according to Master Prophet, these are the women that have, destroyed activities of Madam Ghana in the past. They are the same group of people. And why they are coming back now is because they felt that this is time to cash out. Their job is to cash out, and they're all based in US. Not only US, but in America, Canada, and other parts, but mainly in US. They're attacking COS, thinking that not gonna be verified and all that. So I'm not here to tell you that the way this person is a saint, and the other one is not a saint. Indigo and Ray Charter. Your charter did not prevent people that have committed in the past to join the no wonder Gaddafi, because these are the same group. These are the same group. I remember when this our brother Remedios was saying this months ago, that the time is coming when people will be, that a lot of sabo ndị ahịa akpa, ndị ji azụ iko amanyere mmadụ rice and garri, that they are still in the cabinet. Many were doubting. Anyway, my people, just tell me what you think about it, because I don't want the video to be too long. I just want to share it with you so that you will keep on keeping the information for yourself, for you to have a better, clear picture of what is going on. Because they can reach that, you cannot reach charter when you are in a movement like this. It will get a point where you are going to invoke your charter. We discussed on our live stream, which I have encouraged you, if you have not followed us on our second platform, second YouTube page, which is Kai Report News, go and subscribe there, because we actually had some important, or we discussed a lot there. So I don't want to praise it, to tell you that we need to go there and see it for yourself. Subscribe there, because there will be coming often to stream. God bless you. Bye bye for now. Take care.